Google Site is a collaborative tool that allows you to easily create website, host course curricula, and publish content on the website. You can create a class site to share materials and course information with students, parents, or student guardians, or students create their own e-portfolios to showcase their works. And Google Sites integrates with Google Drives, so you can embed files for a polished final look. To get started, sign into your Google account. Then go to sites.google.com/new. Create a new site by clicking a colorful plus button in the bottom right corner. Once your site is created, give it a name by clicking the Untitled Site space in the upper left corner. And since the first page will be your site homepage, type a title in the header too. In the right column, you'll see 3 tabs: Inserts, Pages, and Themes. The Insert tabs allows you to easily embed objects on a page, including text boxes, videos, images, and more. You can also add files from your Google Drives, including class materials like Google Slides. Just choose your files and hit the Insert button, and then you can drag the elements around the page to position it. You can also resize it and configure it to work within your overall design scheme. Under the Insert tab, you'll also find a pre-made customizable layout blocks and other organizational elements, such as page dividers, buttons, and more. The Page tabs allow you to create new pages and subpage within your site. Click the plus button at the bottom of the Pages tab to add new pages to link to a new web address. New pages automatically appear in the navigation menu on your page. If you like to hide a page, click the 3 dots menu next to it and select the Hide from Navigation. The Theme tabs allows you to choose pre-formatted overall themes for your site. Fonts, color scheme, and design elements are pre-created as themes and can be edited from the Insert tabs. Add a collaborator by clicking the plus button in the upper right corner. You may invite others to collaborate by entering their email addresses, just like how you share in Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, or Drawings. When you're ready to publish your site, click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. Notice the sections below the website addresses who can view my site. Select Manage to update viewing settings. Be sure your site permissions allow the desired audience to view the sites. Once your viewing permissions are set, click Publish. After publishing your site, click View at the bottom of the window to see how it appears to the viewers. Unlike Google Docs, Slides, Drawings, or Forms, viewers of your sites won't see any recent changes until you publish them. And that's how a quick look at the Google Sites. I hope that was helpful, especially those of you looking for productivity tips and tricks. And if you got opinions, I know you do, or if you want to share with your experience with different types of tips and tricks, let us know in the comments below, because I know lots of people will find your experience helpful. By the way, you can get in touch with me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and my website. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.